Welcome to HRX360. In this video, we'll guide you through the Grade Master feature, designed to help you efficiently manage and organize employee grades in your organization. The Grade Master in HRX360 is a centralized tool that allows you to manage employee grades within your organization. It enables you to create unique grade codes and names, making it easy to categorize and organize employees based on their roles or levels. This feature ensures your organizational hierarchy is structured and well-maintained. To get started, navigate to the Setup menu, then select HR Configuration. Under HR Configuration, click on Grade. This will take you to the Grade Master page. On this page, you'll see a list of all existing grades. From here, you can view grade details, edit an existing grade, or add a new one. To add a new grade, click the Add Grade button. Enter the grade code, a unique code for the grade. Then enter the grade name. Once done, click Add to save the new grade. Upon successful submission, you'll see the message, Grade added successfully. To edit an existing grade, click the Edit icon next to the grade. Make the necessary changes and click Edit to save. Upon successful update, you'll see the message, Grade updated successfully. To delete an existing grade, click the Delete icon. A confirmation dialog box will appear, warning you that this action cannot be undone. If you're certain, click Delete to permanently remove the grade. Otherwise, click Cancel to go back. Once deleted, you'll receive a confirmation message, Grade deleted successfully. To export your grade details, click the download icon located on the top right of the grade list. The system will generate an Excel file containing all the grade details, making it easy to manage or share data outside the system. That's it! You've successfully learned how to manage divisions in HRX360. Thank you for watching and happy managing with HRX360.